again. Today we have a Acer tablet on our desk. The model of the tablet is Acer Iconia One B3-820. According to the customer information, when you move the cable, the tablet stops charging. I did try it and it's doing exactly the same. So we're gonna open the tablet, we're gonna have a look. We'll try to resolder the port or replace it, depends on the condition. So yeah, let's start. The button of the tablet is different, so probably this tablet had seen a couple of repairs. So let me find something sharp. And let's remove the back cover. There should be any screws here, no. So we have to be careful with the button, probably it will fall down because this is not the original button. Yeah. Everything is falling down, that's not a problem. Now let's disconnect the battery. We have to, let me power on my soldering iron. Since the connector is on the other side, we'll have to take out the board and we need to desolder the cables here. Everything else is with connectors except the speaker and the microphone, I think. So let's remove the cables. There's a marking on the board so you can't get them wrong. Let's remove, we have 2 screws more. And the board should be out. Yeah, 1 more screw here. Let's have a look under the microscope. The pins are looking fine. Everything seems fine. Let's check inside. We have some water damage. I'll try to show you somehow. We have some rust in the port. So I think it's the best idea to just replace it. I think I have this port, so basically we're gonna lift this one and we're gonna put another one. Just let me find a port. I think it should be this one. Let me check, but I think, yeah, that's the port. Yeah. Okay. A little bit of flux. We're gonna cover the headphone connector so we don't melt it, like this. Like this, and now we're gonna, while the board is still hot, we want to put the new we want to hold like this. Let's check the pins. Yeah, we're gonna use the help of the soldering iron for the pins, and we're gonna fill the holes in here. Not the best solder job, but it will do the work. We want to add some here. Yeah, it looks soldered. Now we gotta clean. I run out of Q-tips, so I'm gonna use some cotton. Like this, nice and shiny. Let me check the back side. Yeah, looks okay. This is from the previous repair, I think, but let's clean it. Like this. Port looks fine inside. So let's put this back. We want to put just 2 screws so we can test. Problem is my meter is under the desk, so you have to trust me a little bit. Let's plug the cable. Yeah, but we have to plug the battery, of course. Yeah, plug in the cable, and it's charging with 500 milliamps. Let's connect the display just so we can confirm we have a charging sign. Let's see, where is the power button? Yeah, it's charged with 500 milliamps, but I guess the battery is too low. Let me check the voltage. Yeah, battery is 3.7. My props are not that good, but according to the amp meter it should charge. So we waited a little bit and now we have the charging sign. The battery is charging with 1.5 amps, so probably the battery was totally dead. Now I'm gonna wait for the battery to charge at full. I'm gonna resolder the cables, I'm gonna put all the screws back, and I'm gonna call the customer. I won't keep you any longer because either way it becomes a little bit longer video. Basically, if you have this problem, first visually check the charging port. Is it okay? Is it broken? Is there something inside? After that, check the solders on the connector, and if everything is fine, you can probably replace the connector if you see something loose on it or something like that. That's the video. I hope you like it. Bye bye for now.